nice music, isn't it? This is the Roman city of Bath. This was already appealing enough to click some family photos. Just so you guys get an idea where we started off, we were in front of H&M, and of course the women were already making their way in for some shopping. But I had a completely different idea. I decided to take off and explore around the area while they were, doing their shopping, and maybe come back later when they were done with it. There was lots of kids shouting as loud as they can, and you can really say summer was here. Husbands have got to be on alert here because basically most of the top brands are here for shopping. And with their almost never-ending sales, women are always going to be so demanding. So watch out, husbands. While goofing around, I met this very cute looking husky, who was, by the way, very curious also about my camera. My parents and my sister are currently doing some shopping, so I made a deal with them. I'm just gonna go explore the city by myself. In case we separate, we decided a place where we are all gonna meet at 4 o'clock. Right now it's 2:30, so I have around 1 hour and a half to explore the city all by myself. Guys, I have to point out that if ever you're coming here by car, do not just put it wherever you want, because you can see already here what's going on. So if the parking says it's reserved for the disabled, respect it. So this road led me to the thermal bath spa, which was my first sport of interest in the city. The thermal bath spa is Britain's only natural thermal spa and benefits from the warm, mineral-rich waters which the Celts and the Romans enjoyed over 2000 years ago. It's not too hard to find. It's located right in the heart of this World Heritage City. One of its main highlights include the open-air rooftop pool with wonderful views over the city of Bath. I will put a link in the description below for further details. The next place to be was the Bath Abbey. But hey guys, this is the city of Bath we're talking about. And everything here is beautifully crafted. Might as well enjoy the city's amazing architecture on the way to the different points of interest. I finally made it to the Bath Abbey, and it stood there majestically.
We'll be closing in a few minutes. You can have a very quick look around if you'd like.
And can I film?
Yes, that's fine.
Well, lucky me guys, I arrived there just in time to be able to visit the church before it closes down. Hello.
Just to let you know, the Abbey closes in 5 minutes.
Yeah. So now I've just explored these two places. Let me go to other places I've already marked on my Google Maps. I think I'm gonna go at the Pultini Bridge. Hopefully I'm spelling this out correctly, so let's go. That's right guys, I had done my homework before coming into the city. I had already marked the places I wanted to visit on my Google Maps, so once I'm into the city, I don't have to lose time wondering where I have to go next, and Google Maps would just take me there quickly and efficiently. The next place I was headed to was the Royal Crescent building, and on the way there was some sort of fair in here right now. Let's just walk across it. Smells good in here. Food on both sides. I decided to take a small detour to find out more about what was happening. Well, it seemed to me that people were just enjoying themselves on a fine Sunday afternoon, playing different games and having snacks all together. What would initially appear to be a completely normal kid just kicking the ball would then lead me to ask myself whether he was actually trying to kick his friend. Soon enough, I was back on my way to the Royal Crescent building. The Royal Crescent building is one of Bath's most iconic landmarks. This impressive landmark is arranged around a perfect lawn and is without doubt one of the greatest examples of Georgian architecture anywhere in the UK. What did you say, Girish? A perfect lawn? A great landmark? All I see is a completely normal building. Okay guys, calm down. Maybe you have those questions for me. But let me change the perspective for you. Okay, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed flying my drone. So now I've got 15 minutes left until 4 o'clock, so I need to hurry now. Yeah. Let's go. And obviously guys, on my way back I used a different route just for the sake of exploring the city even more. I don't know, for some reasons my Google Maps isn't working, so I had to ask the way. Excuse me, can you please guide me? How can I reach the thermal bath spa?
The spa?
Yeah.
Yes. If you go down to this road right at the bottom where there's a T-junction,
Yeah.
that's the Upper Bristol Road.
Okay.
And if you turn to the left, it will bring you into the city centre. Once
Okay.
you're in the city centre, just aim downhill a bit or ask.
Okay.
The baths are right in the centre of the city. And if you can see the tower of the Abbey, which you probably can,
Yeah.
big square tower, well, the baths are just beside it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
10-minute walk, no more.
Okay. Thanks. On my way back, I met this little one. But he was too scared to approach me, unfortunately. So guys, this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please like and share. Do not forget to subscribe as well for my upcoming adventures. In the next one, we'll be having some truly amazing fun, so make sure not to miss that, okay? And oh yeah, I did find my way back. Though I had to run a little bit in the end. 4 hours 20 minutes late. Until the next one, ciao.